Sadguru, Samadha Sadguru, and Paramaguru. Guru is the one who directs, here, go to that direction. And that's where the bliss is there. That's where the meditation you learn. That's called Guru. Okay. Next one is Sadguru, means who introduced you to the Satyam, that means permanent. Permanent. What is permanent inside us? It's bliss. The soul. Soul characteristics are Satchidananda. Sat means permanent, Chid means alive and conscious, and Anandam. So the one who introduced in his meditations or in his presence, once you connect to the bliss, that's called Sadguru. The next one is Samadha Sadguru. Samadha Sadguru means the one who can kill all of your thoughts and karmas, and he's working on strongly for that. The moment the thoughtless stage coming, and then all the karmas also very, very quickly they're burning away, because 1 minute of Atma Dhyanam will clear 100 karmas, 100 past life karmas, 100 past lives of whole karmas, bunch of karmas are cleared in 1 minute of Atma Dhyanam. That is blissful. Atma is bliss, Ananda, Satchidananda, Anandam. 1 minute, if you feel thoughtless stage, whatever, when you're not having thoughts, when your body is also relaxed, what else is there? The bliss is there, the soul is there, bliss is there. When you're having blissfulness, enjoying the meditation, that 1 minute meditation is equal to, then thoughtless meditation is equal to that blissful, the soul meditation, that's called. Will clear 100 incarnations of bad karmas. So these are all the one who can stop your thoughts, in whose direction or guidance. That person is called Samadha Sadguru. Okay. And Paramaguru. Who is Paramaguru? In your life, you met hundreds of gurus. Everyone, we're learning from many people. That's good. But among all of those gurus, from one guru you got so many benefits. Highest benefit you got. In your being, if you check yourself, you close your eyes and keep your hand on your heart. You know that from this guru, I got so much. This is highest. Whatever I got, this is highest. That person is called Paramaguru in your life.